In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of Canva in just a few simple steps. Whether you're using Canva for creating stunning graphics, designing presentations, or any other creative projects, logging out is an essential step to ensure your account remains secure, especially when you're accessing your account on a shared or public computer. So let's dive right in and walk through the process together. First, you'll want to open up your web browser and go to the Canva website. Once you're logged into your Canva account, you'll notice your profile name located at the top right corner of the screen. This is where most of your account related settings are found, and it's conveniently placed for easy access whenever you need it. Now hover your mouse over your profile name. As you do this, you should see a drop down menu appear. This menu is packed with various options related to your account, but the one we're interested in today is the sign out option. Take a moment to comfortably locate this option. Once you find the sign out option in the drop down menu, go ahead and click on it. By doing this, you're effectively telling Canva that you want to end your current session. It's as simple as that. Instantly, you'll be logged out and you'll be redirected to the Canva homepage or login page, depending on your browser settings. This step is crucial for keeping your account secure, especially when using devices that others may have access to. Logging out of your account is a great habit to develop, particularly if you often use public or shared computers. It helps protect your creative work and personal information from unauthorized access. Canva makes this process straightforward and quick, so you can ensure your account's security without any hassle. And there you have it. We've covered the steps to log out of Canva. Remember, keeping your account secure is important, and these small actions can make a big difference. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to Canva's support team for more help. Thanks for tuning in, and happy designing with Canva. Remember, safeguarding your creative space online is just a click away, and these simple actions can help keep your work and personal information secure. Feel free to leave any comments or suggestions for future tutorials, and I look forward to guiding you through more Canva tips and tricks. Keep creating and stay safe.